Hello, everyone.
Hey guys.
Good evening. So, I'm Patricio, and I'm with Francisco,
Yes.
and we're here today to put our hands on Laravel Nova. So excited.
Yeah, I'm fresh for Laravel Nova itself, but Patricio already has some experience, so I will be blown away easily. Then Patricio will be, yeah, okay. That's good.
Not so sure because, well, as Laravel developers, we are used to get spoiled and always to get some wow factor out of every release and every product. So let's see what's coming. Okay, so what do you say? Let's go on to this.
Yes,
I would
sounds
like to,
good.
yeah, I would like to thank you, Tuple, for sponsoring our stream with our pairing session that we can do. So thank you, Tuple. Let's go to this. And well, so this is the new Laravel Nova. Well,
Yeah, the website looks great, and
yeah, it
there
does.
is also available in dark mode. I saw it in dark mode. Yeah, that
Okay, cool.
I think that was one of the features that were most asked to Taylor, that to have a dark mode, not only on
Wow.
the admin panel but also on the website. I guess Taylor worked on that.
Yeah, I'm just saying hello to people coming in. Thank you for
Okay.
coming. Chuvro, Maros, João Pires, hello. I hope I said your name correctly. Okay, so this is quite an improvement UI wise. We are expecting. Oh, none of us has put our hands or eyes on the source code. I've just made a fresh installation and it will be our first React
Mhm.
or reaction. So we are expecting new features. Um, So this is the whoa. I didn't want to reveal the key because it's there almost, but not there. Okay, so that would be the change log. What we would need to see for the new features, probably it's still not updated there. But yeah, dark mode. Also, I remember one of them. Resource management, something we have from before. Actions on top of one or multiple resources. Filters for the resources. Lenses
Yes,
are like more advanced, where we can put a full uh, query builder instance at our disposal to
probably
tinker with.
for stuff like export CSVs and stuff like that.
For
Probably.
example, yeah, that's a
Yeah.
great use for those. Um, Custom tools, where you have the full screen, where you can put your own JavaScript components. Metrics, authorization, all these goodies. Custom fields, powerful search with Laravel Scout, notifications, inline relationships. This is new.
Hmm.
Um, Conditional fields, I think we add them from before. No. Oh yeah, but with custom fields. So um, and notifications. I'm also not sure. I was one of the early adopters, but then for some reason I didn't use so much. But lately I've revisited and it made totally sense. So let's go. Uh, what did I do? So I just installed Laravel Nova on a
Yeah.
fresh Laravel installation, composer-wise, and then ran these two commands, and that's it. That's exactly where it stayed.
Hmm.
So let's visit, and this is the project. Mm, not localhost.com, but slash Nova. Well, it seems we should start it.
Okay, I guess you probably need to install. Okay, the dependencies. I was got it.
Yeah, I think all will be good. I just put Laravel Sail to run and migrated a fresh instance of database with seeds. So now I'm expecting all will work, and it does. On the seed, I put the classical admin with password.
Password, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. And here we are. Well, what do you say from here? You take the keyboard and mouse and you try to discover as a newcomer, and I will be. What do you
Okay.
say, Francisco?
Yeah, let's go ahead and check it. Okay, this unregistered here probably related to the domain checking. Yeah, so yeah, probably that's the way they validate the things they tell here on the pricing.
Oh, the
Let's
licensing,
check.
yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah,
This
probably
is
it's
new.
so solo and pro. So pro is unlimited project, but I guess you need to put the domains
Yeah, you will need to register.
in some back office.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So cool. And then okay, I see there is some users and okay, a cool table. There are some field. Okay, this just total page. I guess some of the filters can go here on top. The ones that are telling on the website. So
Yeah,
that looks
exactly that.
good. So I can create a user. Right now, I probably just the default values from migration. Okay, let's just create a one user, John. Okay, let me just.
Do I have to give you
Okay,
permission to the
I
keyboard?
don't think so. Okay, John Doe.
Let me say
John
hello.
Doe.
Oh, go ahead. Hello, CryptoBelt, Fábio Roque, Raymond Etivi, Pedro Martins. Welcome. Thank you for being here. Hope you enjoy. Put
Yeah.
us some questions.
Hey guys. Okay, so
We are available.
I will just create the user and okay, there is a setting. There is a pretty neat setting to create and add another. That's normally
Yeah.
when we need to add something for a collection. Sometimes we need to add multiple, and that's cool feature to have.
Hello,
Okay,
Gregory. Nice to see you here.
okay, okay. Straight out of the box, this looks good. I guess this image is from Gravatar,
Yeah. Like
probably
before.
based on the email. The email I set here wasn't invalid, so let me change it to my email, for example. And let's see. Update user. Okay. Yeah.
I can't
Got it.
find my mouse. Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Straight out
The
of the
sound.
top.
Yeah, the sound on your micro. It has that stuff.
Sorry. Okay. Should be good.
No problem.
Thanks. So yeah, for just a simple interaction, I guess this is just a collection that the table user on our database, the simple table on Laravel, and that is just a working back office from just that. I think I built myself some back office just like this, and to have this straight off the boxes, it's crazy.
Yeah, just out of the box.
Yeah.
So we have this notion of resource.
Go ahead.
If
Go ahead.
I will show you. So out of the box with Laravel, we have this model. I'm sorry, not to be confused with model, yeah? Which is an eloquent model to interact with the database. And something that resonates with the model is the resource. So there's a Nova resource where we configure all Nova interactions with a given model.
Okay. Okay. So that's the way the Nova knows what model he will get. So
Exactly.
for example, we can have some resources named different than the model. I guess that's not normal to do, but I think for some relations we can have a resource that is connecting two models or something, and we can change the model that connects that resources connects here. I guess that's the way it works, right?
Right.
Okay.
I will add something to that. Let me just. Pedro Martins is saying, "Don't talk modal, or inertia users will cry, please." That's because we are still
Okay.
waiting for the
For
modal
the
feature.
model, yes.
Yeah, don't cry. I'm sure it will be near enough. Hi Dinesh. Hi Anna. Welcome. So what would I have to that? I would say that a user model would have only one resource, but
Mm-hmm.
let's say you have different rules interacting with the same model. Uh, let's say a product on your store,
Mm-hmm.
and you are interacting with the product as a customer, or you are interacting with a product as an employee of the store. Maybe you want to interact on the same model,
Different ways.
but with different ways. So I
Yeah.
think this could be one
Uh,
case, and
okay.
it totally allows you to do that.
Got it.
Okay. So me and Francisco, we haven't arranged anything from this talk, unless one simple thing. We had to make a project, and we were curious how quick would it be to make something like a challenge. You can check yourselves. Brett from Design Joy posted a tweet that you would design something, some front end for a project that would be a biolink for makers. So this is like thinking indie hackers as a profile where we would showcase projects, books, podcasts, having, I assume, a newsletter form for sign up and more things. So we decided we have to build something and not to just make a trivial blog again. We'll make something more
Or a
realistic.
to do up.
Exactly. Not a blog, not a to-do app. They're okay, nothing wrong with those, but I think we have them enough. So let's try to build admin panel, and later on we'll have the front end for this. So we will have projects, books, podcasts, and newsletter. So Francisco, we have 45 minutes. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
let's target this live for around 1 hour, uh, and let's see what we can do in 45.
Okay.
So I would say,
Go ahead and start creating the projects for me to just check how our resource works and how we can have it working from the migration to the resource and to the all the types and all of that.
okay, cool,
Okay.
can be.
Okay. Okay. I think it's probably you have the more experience, so let's go.
So I will make the first one, and you will make the second one. Let's say.
Okay. Let's go. I
Okay.
accept that challenge.
Cool. So I have an alias that it's called A for PHP Artisan. I also have it in my machine, but maybe, well, Sail Artisan, never mind. Sail Artisan make model. Let's make a project model.
Okay.
I forgot to make the
The
migration.
migration.
Yeah, so I think it will.
Uh, okay.
No problem.
Okay. It's easier than create the migration after.
I would say. And where's the. Oh, here it is. So, yeah, let's make a project. Of course, you won't need. Oh, this is the. Because of the. Let's say I will make it just with outside of Docker. Artisan make model, and let's make also the book. I will be kind and make that for you in
Okay.
advance. Also, let's make a podcast model. So, a newsletter I'm not sure if we will need exactly a model for newsletter unless each user can have multiple newsletters, because the subscriptions from people
Hmm.
will be directly to the user. Am I right?
Yeah, I think we can have just probably a table for subscriptions, and that's connected to the user ID. I think also the projects and books and podcasts probably need to be connected like the user ID. So that way
Yeah.
we can have a project that is available for multiple users. But I think we can start for just
As a
for
simple one, yeah.
as
So
simple one, just without the user connection. I think so. Let's probably just create newsletter subscriptions or subscribers. Okay. Okay.
okay, cool.
Okay.
Newsletter subscription.
Okay. Looks
Yeah,
looks right.
and these will be two models, yeah. Well, or just the email. Let's figure it out later. It depends on the domain that we
Yeah,
decide. Yeah.
yeah. I think that's probably the best way to go. That simple way, since if we go with different types of newsletters, yeah, all of a sudden we have a mail a newsletter product
Yeah.
instead of a kind of a link tree product.
Exactly. So
Okay.
let's put our project name. Well, yeah, we will need a user ID,
Okay.
right?
You okay? You'll go with the
Or you
user ID.
wanna leave it for everything for later?
Yeah, I think we can probably leave the connection for later, and probably if we have time on the end of the stream, we make start connecting the user ID on the subscription, for example, just to see how it can work with Nova.
Okay. Oops, not here. So let's
But
also.
if you prefer to have already, no, there is no problem.
Yeah, no, it's okay. I forgot about it. So the image, cover image, I would say,
Mhm.
for the project. Maybe we'll have more later on. And let's say a text for the content. We've not just talked a little bit about it. Maybe it will be markdown, maybe it will be a tricks field. We will see. What you see is what you get. So right from here, we'll be
Mhm.
starting.
Okay.
So we have this project, and let's make the table. Let's migrate it. Now we have, whoa, we'll migrate fresh. This was just to ease the way out to have those files done. Um, what we have to do, and now it's a Nova universe again. Let's make a Nova resource. I'm doing this by head, but I think it will be the same
Okay.
for our project.
Let me open
And
also the documentation here on side.
yeah, sure enough, we
Okay.
have a Nova project resource,
Mhm.
and I'll get the title not from ID but name, and I will
Okay.
search in name and description. So these are the fields. So let's make a text field for name. It will infer for the label. Um, from the label, it will infer database
Okay.
field, and
Okay.
for now it's okay.
It gets it lowercase and probably doing the snake case
Yeah, the underscore.
for the attribute. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
snake case. Yeah, I
Yeah.
always confuse with camel case and snow case and all
Got
that.
it. Okay.
Yeah,
That's good. That's nice.
yeah. Those
Okay.
little things, they add up. It's those little
Yeah.
uh, name description. So
Okay.
our image, let's see how it will be, and our content, it will be a text. So let's say name, description, and
Cover image. Okay. Cover image you will enter later. Okay, got it.
yeah, I will just
Yeah.
check because I'm very used to Spazi's Laravel Media Library,
Media library. Okay, got it.
and I'm not sure if it's ready. The Nova packages from before version.4. So I think I will stick to the native Laravel
Okay.
upload. Let's see where we go from here and get ready because I think I'm done and you are next.
Hmm.
So right now, out of the box, not out of the box,
Okay.
but right away, we can check that we already have a project resource. And we are already listing, which are empty in the database, but we'll create just a project. And let's say we are making exactly this project
Mhm.
as I don't know,
Um,
artifactory.
proof of concept.
Yeah, as a POC while trying Laravel Nova
Nova.
4. Yeah. I'm not sure if I will lose it with Artisan Fresh. We should put this in the seed.
Okay, the content field maybe should be a text
Yeah.
area or something.
Yeah, I forgot. If it will be like the previous one, yeah, exactly. Oh, but this is a text. Oh, I will lose the description. Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
even that refresh blocking stuff, it's cool.
oh yeah, it's gold, pure gold.
It's
Yeah,
cool.
I it is. So let me check about the fields because
Okay,
it's
there is an
already.
image field. Also, I was checking,
Yeah, we
but
have to
probably
go there for sure. And
three.
the tricks field from before it was ready to make attachments, image uploads, but we were discussing that should we go with Markdown, yes or not? So we're still not sure. Maybe let's do the tricks field.
I will ask chat.
Yeah,
Tricks field or markdown.
and hello João Oliveira, meet Sam. Uh, meet Sam is asking if is there a trial license we can give a try with the new Nova 4.0, and I don't think so.
Yeah, me neither. I think the prices are with a discount right now. I think for just 1 week.
Oh yeah, this week only. I
This week
think it's
only.
not 1 week from now. It's this week. I remember.
Okay.
Yeah, but if my opinion counts for anything, you should go ahead. If you are in doubt to have if you are choosing between an admin panel, you for sure there are other good options, but you can't go wrong with this one. You won't go wrong with this one. So I would say go ahead.
Got it. Okay. So okay.
So Pedro Martins, Markdown all the way.
Raymond.
Raymond Trix, Furkan Trix. Raymond Ativi is asking what's the original price after discount. And I'm guessing the discount is for the multi license from $2.99. Right now it's $1.99.
Yeah, I think was that before. So I think yeah. I
And
think
just
Taylor told about the pricing in last week when on the Twitter.
yeah,
But
for sure.
I can't okay, 2.99 per site. So yeah,
Per multiple,
it's
no? Per site
per
it's just 99.
okay. Sorry. Yes. Previous was 99 per site and 2.99 for business and teams. With the launch of Nova 4, you can buy a single license for 99 or an unlimited site license for 2.99. That's
Exactly.
it.
But
That's it.
right now, this week, it will be 199. This week only. Then it will go up, I would say, for 299 from what I
Yeah.
understood.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess we have a winner, is Trix Field. Maybe we can
2-1.
check both.
Yeah.
Because let's see how will Trix handle our markup so that we can do our front end and always get a good match for the design. So let's see what the future can. So for sure it's not a text area.
It's
So
the
let's make a
tricks.
tricks field and right out of the box, reloading, and we have a tricks field, and that's it. Um,
Hmm.
let's get some lorem text. I'm not sure for now, but let's rewind a little bit. Let's talk about creating a resource. Whoa, what's happening? Oh, cover image does not have.
No, it's not nullable. Okay.
Exactly, it's not nullable. So let's make it just a text and cover space image. It will relate exactly to that field.
Okay.
So let's put some, just something.
There is an
Even an
image.
empty string.
There is an image fill out of the box, but probably not the same as the Spatie media library.
Oh, I don't think so. Yeah, no, it will not have a database. I think let's check it. Let's make it directly. Why not?
Okay.
Um, so, oh, just for the
Okay.
record, we're already inserting projects.
Okay.
Okay, let's put our fake data to.
To work.
Oh, not that one. Yeah, and oh yeah, more than 255 shards, I would say.
Okay, but that can be controlled probably from the fields, right? That
Oh yeah,
length limit and all of
let's
that.
let's do it right now. So
Okay,
we
that's
have a rule,
okay.
and right now, yeah, shows it's a string max
Okay, it's a simple rule like on
40.
Laravel validation.
Exactly,
Okay,
just like out of the box. And let's say the minimum I would put 20 so that it will fail on this one. And I'll try to create string
okay.
max.
Validate strings does not exist
Whoa, it doesn't.
because the text is already a string.
That's right. My
Okay.
head is
Okay.
not good today. So we already have the name. I wanted required, right?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, it's always a string. Silly me. So
Required. Oh, also okay.
required
Okay.
pipe
Okay.
next.
Okay. I think
Oh,
it probably needs
sorry.
an array or okay multiple
Yeah,
arguments. Okay.
yeah. Or func get args. Yeah, will
Yeah.
work. So now
Okay.
we got it. The
Okay.
name
So
must not.
maybe the string also works.
Yeah, not exactly sure. So the name must not be more than 20. And now it's failing because the rest is also failing. So our description will allow some more.
Yeah. Probably 255.
120. Okay, like a
120.
tweet. Yeah, like
Yeah.
a tweet. 240. Okay, let's
240.
say.
Okay.
Our cover image. It will not be more than 255. There might be a problem with a very long path, but we'll take care of that. And our content, it's just required, right? As we
Yes.
didn't put
Yeah. Yeah.
nullable.
Yes. It's required and it needs a text field, so it can be long.
Yeah. So let's save it. Our cover image is longer. Whoa.
Okay,
Okay.
but that those rules don't add the rules to the inputs of the HTML. That's one thing I was expecting to have.
Please come again. I was reading a
Uh,
comment that I have to
no,
put.
so those rules do not affect the input element on the HTML.
Oh yeah, for sure.
No. Okay, that could be a cool addition. Also have
Yeah, like client-side validation
client side, yeah, adding those rules to the inputs.
to
Yeah,
the. Yeah.
but
I always have mixed feelings with those
yeah,
because
yeah, me
I
too, me
feel
too.
like yeah, always duplicating the code.
Duplicating the
Yeah,
validation. Yeah,
the validation. but because we'll have to do it PHP wise and JavaScript wise. Something mixed is cool if we can via Ajax request checking with the backend, so in the same rule, but the feeling of the user it would be like immediate. You don't have to
Hmm.
click submit. So on Blur or on something, if we could check just that field with the backend, I always thought about this.
Hmm.
Never
Yeah,
implemented myself.
when I use right now I in a lot of projects I use inertia, and yeah, I only do the validation on the backend also. So
Yeah.
I'm talking against me as well.
Yeah. So, Robert, hello, Robert, is adding to the conversation that it's also good to mention the price is for 1 year of major updates. After that, you'll have to renew the license if you want to keep major updates. I believe it was 75 for single and 249 for unlimited. And I think that's about right. Thank you, Robert. So you get a perpetual license from now on, and you get 1 year of updates. After that, you can keep your version as it is. You are not required to update. But if you want the new updates, you will have to renew the license. Yeah, thank you, Robert.
Yep. And I guess probably in next year will be some Laravel Nova 5 or something
Yeah, let's hope so.
around that time. So
Yeah, they took a little bit longer on the first season. Let's hope for more and more goodies, and
mm,
yeah, for sure. Okay, so right now we already have um, two projects, and what do you think? Should we make a filter to showcase the stuff, or an action, or let's go right ahead
I
to
think you
continue the
yeah
project?
I think let's see. In this case, we are not seeing here the text field. I guess it will show on the eye on or when you click.
Oh yeah,
Okay,
the
okay,
content
the
field,
content. Okay,
tricks fields are
so
always hidden by default. So we
okay,
have something in the fields that,
got it. So it's hidden from the table. Got it.
yeah, on the index view.
Okay.
Um,
Interesting. Okay, so and you can also hide fields from the table, hide fields from the detail page.
oh
The
yeah,
Okay, got it.
so we have all these fields.
So okay.
Let's all these rules we can apply on a field. So we have essentially we have three um,
Mm-hmm.
categories.
Mm-hmm.
Categories. The index
Okay.
page where we list all. The detail, it's where
Okay.
we are showing the
Yeah.
resource. Oh, not three, but four. And creating a new instance and updating an existing one.
Got it.
So I
Pretty cool.
think,
Pretty cool.
yeah.
So, for
And
example,
when
we
it's a
can.
form, yeah, just
Okay.
this came as a twist. So we have these four, but also when we say forms, it's
Okay.
considering both creating and updating.
Yeah. Just an alias for
Yeah.
both. Okay. Got it.
Hey, look, Pedro is asking for the same thing you said. One thing is curious is if you can try later on the old plugins, if they are still installable on this
Mm-hmm.
version, since it seems like they're not much changed in the core besides the routing. Um, I would say it will not work because now it's inertia, and before it was registering, so you were like having the source and then registering all custom tools and fields and so on, and in the end we would start the app, and registering components in Vue 3 are made, well, it may be possible, but also there was a bump in version from Vue 2 to Vue 3. I'm not sure all of them will work out of the box. That's something for sure we will do. Thank you, Pedro. Oh, Mustaf. Hello, Mustaf. He was uh, saying to try dark mode, and maybe we can just in a second, yeah?
you probably need to change your browser. So I think you can go ahead.
Hmm.
If I'm not guessing, I think you can open the command line,
Oh.
the command tools, and the
Yeah.
okay,
What's the
okay, and I
command?
think you can run command shift P and dark mode. I think switch to dark theme, dark theme, dark theme. Okay, okay, just okay, okay,
Yeah.
that one. Okay, emulate. Okay, okay,
Okay, we're emulating.
emulate. Yeah,
Here it
yeah,
is.
yep.
Here you go, Mustaf. Cheers.
There is no, yeah. When I open it, I was expecting to have some kind of toggle to tweak,
Oh
but
yeah, me
okay,
too.
yeah, yeah, but they only did
Yeah, there
based
are new
on the
styles.
on the preference of the computer.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
So it's pretty cool to have it outside of the box. There
Yeah,
was a Nova package to
I
do.
think also the responsive. I think it works as well.
Oh, for sure. It was also so we can go as low as well. It depends on the fields, but
Yeah,
596 it's good.
yeah, but you can slide. You can slide on the table.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Oh, so that's great.
that's good.
Yeah,
And I
this.
guess when you click on the delete, it will show a model or something, right? If you try to
Well,
delete one,
let's do that.
let's see.
Let's do just that. So
Clear
let's.
mine. Yeah,
Oh, let's go to the projects.
the project.
Don't want to delete you. You just subscribed, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do this. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. It's not the inertia model stuff, but it's a model.
Hey, Pedro is about to cry, so. Okay, cool.
Got it.
So, yeah.
Nice.
Thank you, Furkan
So,
and Mustaf, for the recommendations, for the ideas. Really cool. Oh, there's a store. What kind of store? Oh, it's in production.
okay.
Okay, no
Okay.
DevTools for now. Okay, so what shall we do now? Let's put the image, or do you want to make a filter and check the Nova? So let's go
Okay.
more in the project or more in Nova? What do you say?
Let's check the filter. I'm curious about that. And the export. I also that's normally some boring tasks that some clients ask. And when we get those things
Oh, and this
to
inline
okay,
action.
there
I
is
didn't have
okay,
before. Preview fields in a model,
okay, and also
and
a duplication.
yeah, replicate. Just the native
Okay,
for sure. And here we go.
okay, pretty cool. I think you probably can you probably want to
This.
change the dark mode to light mode.
Oh yeah, this tricks was a little bit.
So yeah,
So
Command Shift
Shift
P.
P,
Uh,
light theme was it?
yeah, emulate. Okay,
Oops.
it's the other one. It's the
Okay.
emulate light. I guess. Okay, this the four one. Yes, that's one
Thank you. Yeah. There's a little touch in the tricks field for the. Yeah, this is cool.
for the dark mode.
Yeah. So let's check a filter as a Nova
Yeah.
feature. Okay, cool. So filter. Let's define a filter. So it's something that will be pre-selected for you, and let's say user type, admin or editor, and that's it.
Okay, you
Pretty
kind of
much. Or
okay. You create kind of a class with a class that extends the filter. Okay, got it.
exactly. And we can also have a Boolean filter.
Mm-hmm.
We are going very quickly because the time is so short to see it all, but
Mm-hmm.
I guess we can uh, make a more focused by feature on a next session. So filter titles, default values, dynamic filters. What are those? Are we asking? So, oh, we will. What will happen here? Sorry.
There is
Oh, columns at runtime. So we will use a filter in multiple resources. So the key on the filter will retrieve it programmatically.
Hmm. So it can the same filter can work. For example, imagine if we have some kind of date, and for one is the created at, and for another project there is the start created at, or
Yeah, for
and
instance, or
yeah.
receipt date, or invoice date,
Yeah,
something
or
like that.
inverse, yeah, exactly, and you want to use the same logic. Okay, so that way you don't need to create multiple filters with the same code.
Yeah.
Got it.
Or look another one, also really good. A timestamp filter, and
Yes,
also
yeah,
for
that's it.
created or deleted,
Or
for
related, yes.
instance.
That's yeah, even an easier example.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
that makes sense.
For sure. So let's make
Let's make, for example,
it.
for this, let's say we can get for the project what filter can we do? The last. Okay.
Yeah.
Created today. Probably
Sorry.
too complicated to have created today or.
Let's see. Let's see if it is. Let's just. What do I want? I want to
Let's make
check.
a timestamp filter for the created at.
Yeah, let's just
Yeah.
check, for instance. Oh, because we don't have any plausible fields to use, yeah?
Yes. That's
Maybe
right.
let's make our project with a category or some tags.
For
Maybe a
example,
category. Maybe let's add a
category.
category when it will have. So let's say there's a category and let's leave it exactly like this. And it can be science or technology or something else, for example.
Okay, just to try these filters. Okay.
Yeah, and why not the maker links can have discoverability, and let's search makers by categories or tags.
Hmm.
Maybe it can be on the project and not just as an example, yeah?
Yeah.
Also, let's showcase another field. So let's
Okay.
make a select field. And if it's just like before, let's make it options. And it will be key value as key and translation, I would say. So let's make science.
Hmm. Okay, so easy. Okay, key value. Okay.
Technology. And let's just keep it short, yeah.
Finance. Okay, got it.
So we have a new field. Let's
Hmm.
migrate fresh. So now we need a project. Blah blah blah. It's in
Okay,
science.
it's just works.
Yeah, it's just like that. So we're making this project. Yeah, should put it in a seed. Science, some cover image, and some content. Blah blah blah. There we go.
Okay.
Uh, let's replicate it because now we
Okay.
can. And
Yes.
let's make it finance. And I don't know. Uh, think and grow. Not sure.
Okay,
Green.
it's required. Yeah.
Uh, damn. Okay, cool. So let's check our filter. Uh,
Okay.
well,
Okay. It's getting the
key.
the key instead of the value.
Yeah, let's
There
check that.
should be a way to change that. I guess. So okay. Select. Okay. Display using labels. Okay.
Yeah, it's here.
Yeah. Okay.
Got it. So, whoop. Let's not interrupt
Remove the
here.
comment.
And we have some comments on the chat. I would like to.
Yeah.
There we go. Correctly.
Yeah.
So, do you want to try and make the filter while I check the comments?
Got it.
Go ahead.
I can. Let me go ahead. I think so. So let me open your. Okay. Can you
Yeah?
open your your PHP store? I can't comment tab. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it will do on yours. Yeah.
Yeah.
Once again, thank you,
So
couple.
yeah. So let's go ahead and where do you run that? Okay, it's here. Okay, no, it's that. Where you run the? Okay, the terminal. Yours. Okay. Okay.
There you
Yeah.
go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, got it. So let me check the documentation. I think it was Nova filter, defining a filter. So okay, Nova filter. Okay. So artisan Nova filter user type, not this case. So we can go
Project
ahead and
kind, no?
project category.
For instance, yeah, perfect.
Project category.
Raymond,
Okay.
what a nice addition. You would
Okay.
is saying it would be great to check out notifications as well. So yeah, that would be cool.
So I guess it's here. Okay, filters on the Nova folder. Filters, project category. Got it. So it's a select filter. I guess yes.
Yeah, that's
For
the
now,
component in the
okay.
front end
That's
for
the
sure.
apply. So this is the query.
Yeah.
So we can go ahead and, for example, add a where.
Yeah.
I guess so. The column is category, and the value it's the value here.
Yeah, perfect.
I think is just that.
And I think we're done.
Options. So okay,
Oh,
not sure.
the options for the filter, yeah. So
Let's see if we can get from the select.
from the same, yeah, let's put it on a static field or some class. You want to get the same, yeah?
Yeah. Since this is not connected to the model, it cannot know.
Yeah.
So
Let's
yeah.
just copy them.
Yeah, let's
People
just
know we
copy
can put them in.
for yeah, we can put on the
We
static
can make
on the
some
model.
kind of abstraction,
Yeah.
and put it just in one place to manage it all. But right
Yeah.
now we're just making
Trying
it
it
work,
out, yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, so I guess let's see. I follow the methods on the stub, so I think we are ready. So how
Did you add
we
the
apply
filter
the
to the
yeah? Let me
resource?
yeah, registering the filter. I'm checking the documentation. Okay, got it. I think it's somewhere here. On okay,
Yeah.
this is the filters. So we just need to instantiate filters, then project category. Okay, and that should be it. Okay, got it. So can you check it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So refresh.
Was my first time creating a filter, but let's go.
So congrats.
Okay.
So project category.
Okay, it's the same kind of thing.
Exactly.
But yeah, but
Let's
got
check
it.
that technology doesn't have any. And
Okay.
it doesn't. And now finance should have one. There it is.
Okay. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, so it was all this time to make it. Yeah.
Yeah, I spent some days building back office like this before, so to have this in just like 40 minutes, it's insane.
Yeah.
Just to
Pretty cool.
yeah, and you can reset the filters. Okay, got it. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice
So,
was pretty cool to make the filter pretty quick.
yeah. Raymond is saying to check notifications as well.
Okay, let's
Also, Pedro is commenting, this is where we are missing a toggle. Oh, for the dark theme. Yeah, let's pray for it on the future, he's saying. Robert,
so, yeah.
Maybe some other things to show off. Translation, PHP Artisan Nova Translate PT. That's something where you also, have some experience, a lot of that.
So okay.
Impersonation and brand colors. Okay, yeah, that would be cool. Also, Furkan filters working with value key structure. Oh, so they're on reverse, is it? So value key structure.
Yeah,
Some,
yes. Okay. Ah, okay. So, okay. So the key is the label.
yeah, I missed it. Sorry
Mm.
for that.
Not yeah, okay. It's kind of weird to have a different approach, but okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's right. So the key is the label and the value. Okay, so it's inverted. So it's inverted on the options.
Okay.
Okay, that's
We are
good
getting
thing to
close
know.
to the
Okay,
to end this first session. Yeah.
we can try the notifications. If I can, I think I can help you with that, checking the
Okay.
notifications. So
So let's do
let
that.
me.
Let's check
Okay,
in this browser so people can see.
yeah, okay. We can just go on Tinker
So
for the things. Okay, it's down the line. If you go on the side, there's notification in there. Yeah. So if you go down,
yeah.
there is an example that we can probably try
But
with Tinker or something.
is it WebSocket or is there a polling? Have you checked it?
No, I don't think it's WebSocket.
So it's on every refresh.
Probably
It
on
will
every
be
refresh,
updated.
we will see
Or
the
maybe a polling in the
notification.
notification component. Why not?
Yeah. Okay. There
Oh,
is a
there is
bell. There
one.
is a bell. There is a bell
Yeah, look,
on top.
and there
Yeah.
is one.
Yeah.
There is a polling for sure.
So
Can
we
you see
can.
it? In dash in Nova
Mhm.
notifications endpoint.
Yeah.
So we don't have to wait for a new navigation.
Okay.
For sure we will get it
Yeah.
in some convenient time. It's not real time, but it's
Mhm.
really cool to have it outside of the box. Yeah.
Yeah. I think we can try it. Just
Oh, for
quick.
sure.
Do you want to try it? So
Yeah. Yeah.
maybe
Let's do that.
just copy the
Exactly,
example.
just this. Yeah.
Yeah. And
Request user.
I think we maybe can run a notification on Tinker or something.
But this can't be on Tinker because it needs a request. Yeah.
But it's just an user, I guess.
Oh, so we will notify.
Yeah. Just making a guess.
Okay,
So
so
let's
to have
say
access to database,
yeah.
have to be inside Docker Compose.
Yes.
So
So
now I'll get the user.
yeah, the first one. Right one. Yes.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
And now our user will be notified. Whoa! Put the end
Yeah.
lines.
Yeah.
Damn.
Okay. You have to paste it another place.
How can I do it?
Paste it on the code and copy back. Let's see.
So
Okay.
I will import the class right now.
It's not that
Yeah, yeah.
it's not that easy.
So let's get it, and it will be easier in. Okay.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Do you want to copy the whole thing? Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it will work.
I got Tinkerwell, but didn't install it for long. So,
Yes. User find one.
user. Also in a route, I could put
Yeah,
user
you have a
route.
missing. Yeah, missing. You have
Ah,
okay. That's it. That's it.
thank
That's
you.
right. Yep.
And now user notify.
Okay.
So we're waiting for the next poll. This one came empty, and sure enough, it will come right here.
Okay. Let's see if there is any comments.
Ta-da-da-da.
Pretty cool.
Do we have a drum roll here? I think so.
Eh,
Could you listen?
yes.
I want a drum roll. Okay, also not this.
Not sure what, probably 1 minute or something.
Oh, for
Not
sure.
sure.
Not to
Not
be so
sure.
intrusive, yeah? There we go.
Okay. Okay. That's the
And we
the
have a
red.
notification.
Your report
Exactly.
is ready and download. Okay.
Yeah, amazing stuff.
Okay. So yeah, we have the action if you check the notification, the documentation. If you check the documentation.
Oh,
Okay.
and we
Or
can
yeah.
go to an action.
You can have an action. So probably you can have multiple actions. Not sure. Just.
Yeah, this is a native, Nova native action that
Mhm.
will come. You haven't checked, you have not checked, right?
Right. I
Okay,
don't know anything.
so an action it's like this. Nova action, do stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And now we have an action that does stuff. And we have fields to ask something when an action is running. And when it's running, you get the fields from this form, and you get the collection of models where you have ran this action against to. So let's say it's a collection, so
Mm-hmm.
models each. I don't know. No. You want to do something with the model and you do it.
Hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
Um, I think let's keep this for later for
Yeah.
a good
I
use
think we
case.
probably will have use cases for actions for sure
Yeah.
on the uh, yeah
Let's
on the project.
action
Go right.
oh, for sure. Action response. Sorry. Let me check this, and everyone will be defining actions, responses. Yeah, custom model responses. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Let's say action message.
Hmm.
It worked. So I'll do just that. It's already imported, I would say.
Yes.
Yeah. So it worked. Let's get our model created at. Look. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is
Okay.
a collection, yeah?
Yes.
So let's implode. It will be just one, but it doesn't matter.
Mm-hmm. And you can pass it.
Yeah. Back to the front end. So now if I go to project, I can register an action, and we have do stuff, yeah?
Okay. Yeah, so that will be kind of a button or something.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
guessing.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I will show it to you right now.
Okay. Kind of the replicate or stuff like
Yeah.
that.
Now you can have multiple selection, and when you do, you get this action, and you do stuff with
Okay.
them. And now you have fields. You can ask stuff also.
Mm-hmm.
Let
You
me show
can
you
pass
all these
field.
goodies. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So let's make a text field.
Okay. Okay. You can also prompt
Yeah, it's
the
amazing, man. The more
yeah.
you use, the more you
Hmm.
will see the everything adding up. Let's
Mm-hmm.
say how many, or new info, new information on this.
Mm-hmm.
So next time I want to run on these two projects, I want to do stuff, new information
Okay.
for this new stuff. So we're all good. Let's run action, and we have it worked. But oh, I should refresh. Should I?
No, I don't think I
To
don't. I think
update JavaScript.
the
No.
creator that it it's not imploding. You have to
Yeah,
check what is the models in there. Probably
it's a collection with the two
okay,
projects.
with the two projects, yes.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure about it.
Hmm.
It's
It's
just
empty.
an empty string. Don't we ever created that?
I guess that's a field that should be there
Don't we
by
ever
default.
created?
But let's check the collection.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, something's missing to my mind.
Okay. I don't create that. Okay. Should be.
It should, shouldn't it?
Yes. Okay. And
If someone at home is seeing what kind of poop we are doing, or me. So here we go. Oh, they are carbon instances.
okay. Oh,
So that's why we have to
okay.
string convert them. Okay, so let's, yes,
Yeah,
totally
you
makes
have to
sense,
go for
right?
each. Okay.
Yeah,
But
so let's just do that with the name,
yeah.
yeah?
Yeah.
So we have a saying in Portuguese, the material is always right, yeah? So I think computers are more right than our heads. So yeah, we have the projects. So sure enough, we have
Yeah.
think and grow, make and
And
link.
yeah.
So
Got it.
yeah,
Yeah.
let's see all this to work. I'll just get the clean state, refresh. I wanna select just think grow, and I wanna do stuff with it.
Hmm.
Full bar, whatever. And sure enough, we have it there.
Okay, got it. And I guess let me go and check. I guess it also appears here. No, okay, only appears on the top. Okay,
Yeah. Oh,
okay,
but we can. We can have
okay.
an inline action. You
Okay.
you wanna see it?
Yeah. Yeah, I think we are off course of the project,
Oh yeah, we are.
but yeah, but I did not
Curious
know
just to
about yeah,
finish?
curious about the actions and those new
Okay.
features. That's pretty
I
cool.
think it's a permission to. So yeah,
Okay.
just to make connecting the dots, this action is something that we can run in the notification button. So we will be able to run
Hmm.
one action. It's one kind of this action for sure, right?
For what I'm seeing, I think probably is not connected to the action itself, and the action is kind of just a label and a link. But
Oh, because
I can be wrong about that, since
I'm also not
so
sure.
there
Yeah.
is so much magic
Yeah,
on
I would
Nova
say that
that
you
I
just need to serialize the ID and this action download.
this action is kind of just the kind of the
Also,
button, the
yeah,
call to action, or
also, yeah. Okay, maybe I'm
not sure,
just
not
being.
sure.
Me neither, me neither. But let's check it and on a
Okay,
next session. And
yeah.
I'm thinking about doing some kind of follow up with just short blog posts or something
Hmm.
just like I'm not sure. Let's see what goes out of this.
Okay,
We'll
I
see.
think I think we can just to finish if you
Yeah, sure.
if
The
I
visibility of the action in the inline.
yes, yes,
I
and
think.
yeah,
Go ahead.
go ahead. Check that one. I have just one goodie that I figure that it's new also on Nova 4, but one thing
It's the authorization to display. So I'm remembering
probably
maybe.
a method. It's probably a method
Yeah,
on the action.
yeah, in this action, display on. No, show on
Inline,
index.
show inline.
Inline.
This is showing should be showing line.
Yeah. So show in index should be the same, but and sure enough we
Okay.
have it. Do stuff. So we'll do it directly. But now we just we will have
Okay.
one collection with one
Yeah.
model. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Yeah. that's awesome. The one thing that I was checking on the documentation,
Go
and I
ahead.
think I saw some tweets about it. It's the impersonation. That's something that
Oh,
a lot
cool.
of
Right.
clients ask. And
Yeah.
I'm checking here on the documentation. You can open the documentation. It's also on the on
Below.
yes, yeah, yes, here, yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, I think it's just use a trait, and I
Action is
think
like
out of the
the
box
way.
it will work.
Okay. Okay, let's do it. Raymond, it's adding to the comments. Action is like the way it works with mail. I'm not
Okay,
sure
okay.
if I fully
The action
understand.
on the notification is it's the way it works on the mail. That when you are using not the when you are creating mails with the Fluent API.
Oh, right.
Okay, the action is it's probably the same way it works with the notifications.
Yeah,
And
pretty sure. Thank you, Raymond.
Raymond finish with I think yes.
Okay, okay. Cool. So enable impersonation. We should add a trait to the user.
Okay, yeah.
Well, and that's it.
And yeah, that's why I was
And
telling
that's
you
it.
to try since I saw
Oh yeah.
that's pretty quick.
So to the model,
Yep, and just use.
impersona table, and the import was done. So sure enough, we should refresh.
And now you can be friend. Okay, probably on the users
Where is
table.
it? Oh yeah, right.
Yeah.
Stupid me.
Okay,
So
there is no friends. Okay, that's your user. You need to create a new user probably. You
oh
already are the
right.
user one. Okay.
So Francisco
Yes.
was
Yeah, that's it.
second user. So your password will be 10 bullet points, okay? And now
Okay.
what can we do? Not
Replicate. Okay.
replicate.
On that, but go on the table. Maybe on the table it shows the impersonate. Hmm.
Still not.
Okay.
Maybe I
Maybe
overlooked something.
there are some permissions. Maybe on the. Okay. Check the. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Maybe you need to pass those gates.
After deploying to production,
Hmm.
is it only available in production?
Okay. I guess we can put that method can impersonate.
Okay.
You want to try the environment? Okay.
I was
Okay.
curious, yeah, to try the environment.
Maybe you have to log off and log in or something.
No, I found something that environment in Docker was not updating immediately when it was running with artisan serve.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure about this. So if you have a local Nginx plus FPM, that will be okay because it's always a fresh process. But don't take my word for it.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah. So right now,
Okay. Right now you don't have permission. You have to add
exactly. And you know
the
why?
email. The email.
Because
Okay.
yeah, but yeah, we are not in a Nova service provider. Is it there where we can say which users? Exactly.
Yes.
In
Okay.
production, we have to put
Admin at.
emails. Oops.
In this case, I think it's admin at admin.com.
Yeah. So now this user can access. Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
And now we are in production. And now we get
Okay.
impersonate. Cool.
Okay. By default,
So
only on production.
yeah, I think that now we are Francisco and
If you go to Nova, you don't
we
have
will be
access. You don't have
thrown out.
access. Yeah.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. So I think this could be something that could be added to the documentation, but it's kind of clear. that it only works in the production
And clear.
environment.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess because of the customization on the bottom, and people probably go ahead and override those methods.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe
and yeah,
people, if we
go
do this
ahead.
in
Yeah,
local, do you think it works?
I think so. So if you can impersonate and you pass through, for example, just
Yeah.
yeah, if you change that to can be impersonated through, and the other gate if you change to through, I
Oh,
guess
for the other gate.
yeah. If you create that method
If you
can impersonate.
this yeah, true. Yeah, true,
Yes,
true. Yeah.
yeah. If you
In the model.
yeah, probably just one, just on the one on top is needed because the other is already true. Yeah, that one. Yeah, maybe if you remove the gate all and just
Totally.
return
Yeah.
true, yeah, it totally and
Exactly.
yeah, and probably just
Yeah, the
probably
other one.
works. That's my guess.
So you see, and what's your guess about Docker?
My guess
Because
about
you
that
see,
Docker, not sure, not sure, not sure how sale handles the 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 path to the local file if it's a link or not. I'm not sure. I'm if it's an alias. Not sure.
okay.
Probably only run. No, but that does not make any sense. You did not build, or you did build it again.
No, I just have the
No.
default
Yeah.
sale image, I would say,
Yeah.
that it's
Hmm.
shared, but
Okay.
uh,
Normally, I
the
don't use. I use Docker normally on production, but normally on local. I don't use as much. And Sail, I don't have a
oh,
lot
that's interesting.
of experience with Sail, but
Oh, okay. Thing is, this runtime
mhm.
is a supervisor process that it's running, and
Okay. So
something because
mhm,
but when you are running
mhm,
locally on your machine, it detects the environment change. I'm not
mhm.
sure if it's something about being in Docker that it doesn't, but I'm pretty
That,
sure that
okay.
now
That it.
I cannot go
Okay.
login, not found,
Mhm.
Nova login.
You are with Francisco.
Yeah, so how can I not be with Francisco?
I think you probably need to remove the yeah or that or remove the cookie. Probably
Yeah,
it'll be a cookie or something.
yeah.
Normally, when we impersonate, normally there is kind of on top kind bar that telling you are impersonating. I think you will have that control to show it or not on the front end, but probably not designed by default. And I think it's probably a cool idea because every person wants to style for for the given project. So
Yeah, for
yeah.
sure. Okay, but
Okay. Okay. That's
all
cool to
things,
have by default. I think. Cool.
yeah, all things considered,
Hmm.
what do you think for the first run? And what do you
That
guys think?
for my point of view, that's 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 just crazy how easy it is to build a good looking admin panel. It and probably just not an admin panel. You can have some kind of a back office for a client that can work with this layout. That's pretty cool. And in just 1 hour, maybe 1 hour and 10 minutes, we can have login, log out, notifications, a list of users. We can filter the projects by some kind of filter that we can create. We can have some different actions. So, for example, if we want to trigger webhook or something to another. For example, if we have here the subscribers of a newsletter, we can have a custom action to send the emails to Mailchimp or something, or another mail provider, for example, just to give you a real case. Yeah, I think myself, I already built stuff like that in the past, but everything made by me, and yeah, that was like a week of work to have some kind of back office working. So I think with Nova, that will save me probably 80% of the time. Yeah.
Oh, for sure.
So yeah.
Yeah.
So from my point of view, that's great, and even the look, it's pretty cool, pretty standard. Works normally for every client. That's neutral colors, and yeah,
Oh, yeah.
and
Pretty cool.
that's great.
Considering an admin panel, so it will not be, for instance, for a public facing. Um, let's say we have a shop that sells clothes. Yeah?
Hmm.
So the client of the shop will have its own admin, so like the user area and the public area that are distinct. But the admin panel for the shop, for the owner and employees and stuff, this can build it so much faster. Don't you see it?
Yeah, yeah, for sure, and not sure how it works with permissions inside of Nova. Maybe we can check this on a later stream.
Yeah.
But yeah, we can have one Nova for just the client in this case, for the shop segment, that user, and we
Okay.
can
Yeah.
have another one for the admin itself that controls how the clients you have that have some clothes selling under
Yeah.
their name. So I'm not sure if you are if I'm overcomplicating my thought, but
No, no, that's for sure
okay.
because we can have gates and policies.
Hmm.
So
And
it's
show different
completely
sections.
doable. Yeah.
Okay.
And spatie Laravel permission also if you want to do it from a database
Hmm.
point of
Yeah.
storage. I was thinking in terms of UI and identity of the store.
Hmm.
So that's the only reason
Mm.
to make an admin a user area outside of Nova.
Hmm. Okay, because
Because
you don't have a lot of control. I think from what
yeah,
I
because
saw in the
it's
past,
a
there is a Tailwind CSS file that you can
oh for
Tailwind
sure.
config file that you can tweak, but
Yeah,
there is not a lot of control.
exactly. Because once you go outside of the CRUD stuff of the table of these
Yeah, create. Yeah.
yeah, when you go outside of this domain, you have to well to do it all. But of course, this can be lots of it can be I'm missing the word. It can be customized heavily,
Hmm.
no
Hmm.
doubt about it. But I'm just not seeing giving a data table kind of thing to a user as
Hmm.
in a shop as a back office. You see?
Hmm. Yes.
So this
Yeah.
is why.
Yeah. I think it can be. For example, if you have kind of uh, a new idea and you want to ship fast, you can
Oh, for
go,
sure.
for example, with this Nova back office approach, and then probably when you grow, you can tweak it
Oh,
and
for
have
sure.
it.
That's what we're doing
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
maker.link, yeah,
Yeah.
as the POC to Brett. Yeah, so that's, oh yeah, so I'm eating my own words, yeah. Yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, apart from that, let's see. I'm really hope
Hmm.
to see what to see. Oh, if we could do like front-end invocations,
Hmm.
so like being able to use a create resource endpoint from outside of Nova admin. I'm not sure what we can expect from there, but lots of news on this version. Let's check
Hmm.
them out. And
Yep.
yeah, let's see what's coming. I'm excited.
Yeah, I
One
think
more.
on the next stream, we can probably continue our use case, and maybe the guys from Spassy, normally they work fast. They have an update on that media library, and
Well, yeah.
we can try it. but
Yeah, who knows?
as normally Freaks says, there is no deadlines on open
On
source,
open
so
source, yeah.
yeah, we
Yeah, you
cannot
are right.
rely on that.
For sure. Maybe we can put our hands onto it.
That's right. That can be a cool thing.
Yeah. So Freddy is also doing a comment that Nova is expensive for me. He's saying, um, I cannot um, agree or disagree. Um, I would just add to think on how much time you will take to build an admin panel that can do all these, and every time you go to a new client you can use it and you have a base to go on and on, so you will be much more productive because you can do 3 projects and you just feel at home because you have a nice code base that you know and feel already. It's not different every time you change a project. um, maybe maybe it's not for you if you can do it faster. So it's up to you, but I would say to consider the time that you would spend and make some calculations on that and take another conclusion. Um, so yeah, what do you think? Let's wrap it up for today.
Yes, I think so. I think we are already 20 minutes out of
20 minutes
the
out. Yeah.
yeah, but yeah, and that goes quick, and we did plan for something, and we go on the other way. But yeah,
Oh yeah.
but it's really exciting, and I will for sure be checking some things during this week. Yeah, and probably on the next stream, I already will be having more experience with that. But yeah, and showing some goodies or something.
Yeah, let's do it. We
Yeah.
don't have to do everything
Mhm.
in here. I think it will become a little bit longer, yeah,
Mhm.
because we go in this free ride spirit, and that's the fun of the stream, yeah, just being able to interact and go free ride. But maybe we can do something in betweens and then show what we have done.
Yes,
Um,
I'm
yeah, so
all up
that's cool.
for that.
Yeah, so cool. Thank you, everyone at home. Thank you, Francisco, for being here. Um, and see you on a next future live stream.
See you guys. Thanks for being here. Yeah, and I'm really excited about Nova 4. Yes.
Yeah,
Thanks.
same here. Thank you, guys. See you.